Plant FAQs. Aglaonema Siam Aurora, Red Aglaonema. The allure of the Aglaonema Siam Aurora, a plant parent's guide. My obsession with houseplants started innocently enough. A single philodendron on a windowsill soon blossomed into a full-blown indoor jungle. But there's one plant that consistently steals the show, the Aglaonema Siam Aurora. This stunning foliage plant boasts vibrant green leaves splashed with fiery red, a color combination that never fails to mesmerize. But beyond its beauty, the Siam Aurora is a dream for even the most forgetful plant parent. It thrives on neglect, making it ideal for busy lifestyles like mine. However, a little TLC goes a long way, and with proper care, your Siam Aurora will truly flourish. So, buckle up, fellow plant enthusiasts, as I share my experiences and everything I've learned about caring for this captivating Aglaonema. See more 26 species in genus Aglaonema at monsteraholic.com. What is the Aglaonema Siam Aurora? The Aglaonema Siam Aurora, also known as the red Chinese evergreen or Siam Aglaonema, is a cultivar of the Aglaonema genus. Native to Southeast Asia, it's known for its resilience and tolerance for less than ideal conditions. The star of the show, however, is undoubtedly the foliage. The Siam Aurora boasts glossy, elliptical leaves in a rich emerald green base adorned with stunning red or pink variegations. These splashes of color can range from subtle veins to dramatic marbling, making each plant unique. Beyond its visual appeal, the Siam Aurora is considered air purifying, potentially helping to remove common toxins from your indoor environment. I find Aglaonema red gold to be a warm presence in my space, with its vibrant red and green leaves adding a cozy touch. Siam Aurora, on the other hand, brings a splash of tropical flair with its striking pink and green foliage, making it a standout choice for bright corners. How to care for Aglaonema Siam Aurora. Here's the beauty of the Siam Aurora. It's incredibly forgiving. But with a little extra attention, you can help your plant truly shine. Light. While the Siam Aurora tolerates low light, it displays its best colors with bright, indirect light. South-facing windows might be a bit too harsh, but an east or west-facing spot with filtered sunlight is ideal. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. The key word here is moderation. Overwatering is the enemy of the Siam Aurora. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out completely before watering again. Signs of thirst include drooping leaves and wrinkled soil. Soil. Opt for a well-draining, airy potting mix specifically formulated for houseplants. Aroid mix is a popular choice for aglaonemas. Ensure your pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Humidity. While the Siam Aurora isn't too fussy about humidity, it appreciates a moderately humid environment. Grouping plants together or using a pebble tray filled with water can help increase humidity levels. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied once a month. Skip fertilizing during winter when growth slows. How to propagate Aglaonema Siam Aurora. Sharing the beauty of your Siam Aurora is easy. Propagation is a rewarding way to multiply your plant and introduce friends to its magic. There are two main methods. Stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem section with at least 2 leaves. Remove the lower leaves and dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional. Plant the stem in a pot with moist, well-draining soil and keep it warm and humid. Division. When repotting a mature Siam Aurora, you might notice smaller shoots growing at the base. You can carefully separate these pups with a sharp, sterilized knife and pot them individually in suitable containers. What to plant with Aglaonema Siam Aurora. The Siam Aurora's adaptability makes it a fantastic companion for other low-light-loving houseplants. Here are a few ideas. ZZ plant. Zemioculca zemifolia, another low-maintenance favorite with glossy, dark green leaves. Snake plant. Sansevieria trifasciata, known for its architectural form and air-purifying properties. Philodendron Birkin. Features stunning variegated leaves with white and cream markings. By considering light and water needs, you can create a thriving indoor jungle where your Siam Aurora shines alongside other botanical beauties. Final thoughts. A rewarding journey with the Aglaonema Siam Aurora. The Aglaonema Siam Aurora is more than just a houseplant. It's a testament to nature's resilience and beauty. With minimal effort, you can cultivate a vibrant piece of the tropics in your own home. So, embrace the journey, learn from your plant, and enjoy the ever-evolving beauty of the captivating Siam Aurora.